Assalamualaikum and hi guys, today we are going to show you a demonstration on how to install the server operating system using virtual machine. So let's start!
First of all, open the Microsoft Edge and search Windows 10. And pick the searching in the top and wait. After that, download till now. And open the file. And read the editor notice and accept. Choose create in social media. Next. Then next. And choose ISO file. Next. And then save the window. And wait for downloading Windows 10. And finish.
So for installation virtual machine, we need to open the Microsoft Edge. And click the virtual box. And then click Windows host. And then open the file and then click next, and click yes, and lastly install. Wait for a minute. And click finish. So you are done.
Okay, first thing first, open Oracle VM Virtual and then click new, type in the name computer Windows and click the not selected, then click other and then type in search window and click window and click open and then click next and change the host name to window and change the username to IMD and then click next and slide the base memory to 4400 MB and click next and scroll down, click finish and then the windows will pop up. Just a moment. Click next and install now and click next and we wait for the windows to be installed. The windows are getting ready to be installed and we wait for checking for updates. And the Windows is already and the computer window has already done. and Windows 10 has been installed.
For the step 4, go to the setting, choose time and language, click on date and time, change the time zone to Kuala Lumpur, like this. And the first part is done. For the second part, click on setting, scroll down and go to the personalization. Choose themes, scroll down again and choose desktop icon setting. Click all the button here and apply. And then click OK. The second part is ready. For the third part, search for system information. Here you can check and refresh everything. Click on each of them. For that, go to the file, right-click this PC and click Manage. Choose Disk Management. Right-click on this bar and click on Shrink Volume. Change the amount of shrink volume to 2000 and shrink. Go to the unlocated, right click and new space volume. Next again, change the alphabet to S and click next again. This is how it looks, and click next again and finish. We are done at this part. And then let's go home and search for control panel. Click on the control panel, click on system and security, choose system, scroll down and choose system protection. Go to the computer name, click on change the workgroup to IM163. Click OK. OK again. And then close. Choose restart later. And
And then we're going to go to this PC and choose properties. And scroll down to the advanced system settings. Click advanced and click settings. Click advanced again and then change. From here you can custom the size. Set and then OK. Click OK again and then apply and choose OK. OK again and restart meeting. And then we're going to go to the settings, scroll down and choose account, click family and other users, click add someone else's PC, and add either an email account or a phone number that you want to add. Click next. finish. Click the user and change account type, and then change it to administrator, and then click OK. From here you can see the file that you have created. Right click and then go to properties. Click sharing and advanced sharing. Share this folder and click permissions and change it to full control and apply, and then OK. Click apply again and OK. Click share and add everyone. Change to read or write, and then share. Cancel, and done. And then go to the search bar and type in Task Manager and open the app. Click more details, and from here you can see how to run the task. And you can see each one of them. And we're going to go to the settings and click system. Scroll down and go to about. Rename this PC to IM163, and then next. Restart it.
So in conclusion, that's all for our demonstration step by step on how to download Windows 10 on a virtual machine. So I hope for those who are watching this video will help you guys on the future, and I would like to thank all my members for helping on this video. So that's all, thank you.